Did a software update break the Vulkan-1-32 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Khronos Group running again. As we prepare the manual solution for Vulkan-1-32 library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Vulkan-1-32 library, the 32-bit implementation of the Vulkan graphics loader. It bridges the gap between legacy 32-bit applications and the modern Vulkan driver. If missing, 32-bit titles like Minecraft or older indie games using Vulkan will crash on launch, reporting no Vulkan physical device found on a 64-bit OS. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for Vulkan-1-32 library DLL. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Vulkan-1-32 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Because a standard update didn't solve the issue, you must perform a manual driver reset, and you should use the Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as the DDU utility, to clear out your current graphics configuration. Once your PC restarts, you can install a fresh driver package to ensure all GPU-related files, like your DLL file, are correctly registered. Why are we doing this? Well, graphics drivers rely on complex registry indexing, and a fresh installation following a DDU wipe forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the necessary libraries. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Vulkan-1-32 library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for Vulkan-1-32 library references. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Vulkan-1-32 library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.